Hello students, we read today about properties of integers. Integer denoted by I or z. Set of integers contains negative numbers, 0, positive numbers without fraction. First property of integer is closure property. What is the closure property? If we take any two integer and any operation between them do, and result will become also integer, then closure property will be satisfied. For example, we check closure property for integers in under operation addition. Let's take a equal to 0 and b equal to 1 as a integer. Then answer will be 1, and 1 is also integer, so closure property satisfied. For we check for subtraction. If we take a equal to 1 and b take equal to -1, then answer will be +2, and 2 is also integer, so closure property again satisfied. For subtraction, for multiplication, if we take a equal to 2 and b equal to -3, then answer is -6, and -6 is also integer. For division, if we take a equal to 1 and b equal to 2, then answer will be 1/2. 1/2 is a not integer, so for division closure property not satisfied. Second property is commutative property. Commutative property means if we take two integers and any operation between them be taken as addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, and result will be no change if place of integers will be changed, then commutative property will be satisfied. For example, we take in addition a equal to -1 and b equal to -2, then result will be -3. And if we interchange the digits, -2 take firstly and -1 take secondly, then result will be also -3. So -3 and -3 is equal, so commutative property is satisfied for addition. We check for subtraction. If we take -3 as a and -2 as b and subtract them, answer will be minus plus, -3 plus 2 equal to -1, and b minus a, interchange the digits, -2 -3, minus plus, so answer will be +1. -1 and +1 is not equal. Clear? So commutative property is not satisfied in the under operation subtraction. Okay, for integers. Multiplication, if we take a is equal to 0 and b equal to 1, then answer will be 0, and interchange the digit, 1 comes firstly and 0 comes secondly, then answer will become 0. Here both sides result 0, so commutative property will be satisfied for multiplication. In the integers, for division, if a equal to 1 divided by 2, clear, then result will be 1/2, and if we b is a 2 and a is a 1, then answer will be 2. Here answer of both is is not same. So division is not commutative for addition. Now we check associate property. Associate property for addition, associate property used for three numbers. We check firstly in addition. If we take A equal to 1, B equal to 2 and C equal to 3, then answer will be 5 or 1, 6. In the right hand side, A equal to 1, B equal to 2 and C equal to 3. 3 plus 3, answer is 6. So for addition, associate property is satisfied. Subtraction. In the subtraction, if A equal to, we take A equal to 1, B equal to 2 and C equal to 3. Then we check associate property 1 minus 2 minus 3. In the left hand side, 1 minus minus 1 equal to minus minus plus 1 and 1 2. In the right hand side, A equal to 1, B equal to 2 and C equal to 3. 1 minus 2 minus 1 and minus 3. Now answer is minus 4. So left hand side answer is 2, right hand side answer is 4. It is not equal. So associate property will be not satisfied in the under operation subtraction for integers. For multiplication, if we take A equal to 1, B equal to 2 and C equal to 0, 1 into 2 into 0, then answer will be 0. A equal to 1, B equal to 2 and C equal to 0. So 2 into 0, answer will be 0. So associate property satisfied here. Left hand side answer is equal to right hand side answer. So associate property will be satisfied in the operation multiplication for integers. Division, we take A equal to 1, B equal to 2 and C equal to 3. A divided by 2 divided by 3. In the left hand side, A we take 1. We solve firstly in the small brackets digits, then 1 divided by 2 upon 3 means it will be 3 upon 2. And if we check in the right hand side, answer will be A equal to 1. 1 divided by 2 divided by 3. 1 divided by 2 is 1 upon 2. Divided by 3 means multiply 1 upon, it will be 1 upon 6. So answer is not same. So for division, associate property will be not same. Clear? Now last property is distribution property for multiplication over addition. Over addition and over subtraction. We check if A equal to 1, B equal to 2 and C equal to 3. Firstly we check over addition. A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. A equal to 1 into B equal to 2, C equal to 3. Answer is 1 into 5 equal to 5 in the left hand side, and it will be equal to right hand side. We see A equal to 1, B equal to 2, A equal to 1, C equal to 3, 2 plus 3 is also 5. So distribution property satisfied for multiplication over addition, and we can check in the under subtraction for multiplication. For this example, 1 into 2 minus 3, 1 into 2 minus 1 into 3. In the left hand side, answer is 1 minus 1 equal to minus 1, and in the right hand side 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. So answer will be come. So students, practice to these properties and discuss me to in the next videos. Okay, bye.